Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. It is Sunday morning, probably around maybe 1:30. Yeah, so I just watched Marcy do something and I'm like, you know what? I've got to try that. But I'm not going to use the color she did because I have this cup here with, let's see how many ounces we have. Let's hope we don't spill it too. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang ho. It is just about filled. And I know what colors I put in there today, but I do not know what colors I put in there last week, way down yonder. So, yeah, we're just going to, fake it till we make it here. And I have Marcy's large bottle bottom here in the center of a 14 by 14 canvas, which we're going to swing around. Yay! Okay, nothing's in the way that time. And once we get this on here, I have a hard time finding the center. I really do. Such is life, right? Okay, so, let me get my bearings here. I just set this up, and no, it can't go back any further. Okay, I'm answering my own questions that I didn't even ask. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have in here. Okay. Hopefully it won't muddy too much. Okay. I hope everyone had a safe and enjoyable Veterans Day. I spent the day mostly with the gals for my calamity. No. Then the boyfriend called, and they're like, well, we won't see her for hours. Surprise. Yeah, his boss called him. So, yeah. Okay. I don't think there's any metallics in here. I feel a heaviness here in the bottom. I'm not sure why. It's only a single cup, right? Just trying to get every little bit out of here that I can. Boop. Yeah, there's quite a bit down in there. Okay. I mean, you can feel it. No. Come on. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Here comes some of the white. Yay. I mixed, I think, 5 paints today. And so the leftovers I just put on top of whatever was in this cup that I meant to do last week. That I can get it around to. So I'm still waiting for the paint on the paper to dry. Oh, yes. Alright, we're going to say that's good enough for now. Alrighties. And we're just going to... I guess we're not going to do that. Alright. We're just going to set this upside down. Oh, no, we're not. I almost did a dum-dum move. Oh, God. If this is what 65 is going to be like. No. Alright. Trying to find a good skewer here, and that's not all ickety. They're almost all ickety, but you got to pick the least or the worst. And we're going to wreck it. Though I'm not really seeing, okay, much of a big difference here. That's the chair, not me. I'm old, but I'm not flatulent at the moment. Oh, heaven help us all. Okay. I'll take one out here. I don't know how this is going to go, but here goes nothing. Where's the cup? There's the cup. All right, I need to take this off. Oh, it's going to be tricky. Guys. Okay, this I have no problem with. Or I didn't until I put my finger in the dang paint. Okay. Lift this up. Pour in the black and white. Okay. Alrighties. Where are you going to sit? I don't know, ma'am. There, that looks good. Okay. And without an apron on, we're going to spin this after I get some stuff on the sides here. Alright. Yes, Artist Loft. Okay. Want to make sure I did not pick up the other one. The Amsterdam. Yes, painting it approximately between 1:30 and 2 a.m. Yeah, guess who's up? Hello. Okay. If I were smart, you guys, you've watched me before, you know I'm not. I would have put the apron on. Now, will I still put the apron on? It's possible. Oh, there it is down there on the floor. I don't know what I'm really trying to protect as I'm wearing one of my paint shirts anyways, but let's get it over the head at least. Alrighties. And let's see what kind of a mess. Oh, hangy hody, gotta tie it. I think we're gonna be able to. Yes. As this goes flowing, I'm sure you can see it. Oh my word. Seriously, Jackie, seriously. Age does not help your intelligence any, does it? Nope, doesn't seem like it. Okay. We're in agreement then. All right. There we go. We got the bunny ears tied behind us. All right, let's get this going a little bit more this way. Maybe. All right, and let's, there's the spinner. The steak. Let's give us a spin, see what we can do here. Hopefully they aren't too thick. Those paints that were in there aren't too thick. They could very well be, though. It's quite possible. Where is the steak? Well, we're just going to wing it then. Wow, this is pathetic, guys. I apologize. Did the stick drop off? No, there it is. Never mind. We're going to try and scooch this back just a itty bitty bit. Okay, and give it a good flingaroo. Okay, give it a mediocre flingaroo. Now we gotta find the stick again. Jackie, just remember where it was approximately. I'm trying. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it is. Yay. Good God. Owie. That kind of hurt. It did. I gotta get these bubbles popped here. They're driving me batty. Okay, well, let's just do the rest of it while we're here. Doot. Alright. And if I have to, I'll pick it up and tilt it. Did you remember where it was? No. Ah, this is where it was. Okay. Ah, there you are. Okay, now the other way. It doesn't matter which way you turn it. It's not going to make any difference. Oh, ho, ho, the stick stopped here again. Yay, thank you. My gals may remember the last time we did this, and yeah, not everybody saw it. It was pretty until my sleeve got caught on there, and it went right through the paint. Only certain people have seen that one. Okay. Things are getting slippery here. Oh boy. Alright. Okay. Just going to help it along here. Because I know not everybody wants to sit and watch it spin. I get that. Let's see if we can cleverly get this little piece of paper towel up. Okay, good job. All right. And we're going to spinaroo again. I felt more confident that time. Okay, here's what we're going to do, guys. We're just going to pick it up and watch it slide. One would think. One would think. Okay. It's very abstract and, yeah. I do like these parts over here. They're pretty. That, not so much. This, dear Lord, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Yeah. Do we glitterize this? Good question. Oh, there's a princess hair. Let's try a couple more. Who's there? Oh, there's a stick. Oh, please don't fly off. There we go. One more. Thank you. Owie. My nail caught on the rack down there. Okay. Owie. Well, there went that. There went that. We've almost got it, guys. Almost. Uh-oh. That went flying onto the cabinets. Whoopsie-doo. Yeah. Well, just wipe it on yourself. Okay. You got it. You got it. And you're right here. And I'm going to go one more time. Damn it. Oh, dear. Okay. It's just not staying where it should. Okay. The apple barrel bright blue, it will stain you like a Smurf. I kid you not. It will stain you like a Smurf. Dang it. And things go flying. Okay, guys. This is a comedy. Wow. This is a, not a tutorial. Well, it could be a tutorial on what not to do. Alright, guys. This seems to be a bit flopper-jawed too, doesn't it? Like it slid off its cracker like I have. Yeah. And it has. It slid off the spinner. Okay. Good God. Let's give it one more go, okay? Just one. Cross your fingers, please. That was weak, but okay. Dang. Alright. I need a wet wipe. Like big time. Okay. Might need the whole stinking thing. Because I don't want to put my hands on my phone the way they are right now. Yeah, I'll be a Smurf for a couple days probably. Oh dear. And with this corner here, we're just going to take some of the, here we go. We're going to go boop, 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 boop. There, nobody knows, okay? Only we know if I did that. Okay, and the rest of them seem to be fine. Excuse me. Getting kind of wheezy down here. Oh my gosh. Smurf City, here we come. Wow. Alright, guys. You got your helmets and seatbelts on? This thing is so whopper-jawed, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm bringing you guys down. Okay. And here we go. Here we go. Maybe. Alrighty. That's the chair again. There's the floor. See? There's the cabinets. We're going to be wiping that up before it dries. Okay. Here we come in. There might be some gold. Oh, I know there is some champagne in here. I'm pretty sure there's champagne. Because I did make some of that earlier. Okay. That's pretty there. Sorry. I got off track. Looks like some webbing there. Maybe. Not really any cells. That's the corner you didn't see me do, okay? Yeah. Got it. It's a secret. It's a secret. There's some more. It's not webbing, lacing. Good God, guys. It's been a day. It has. It's always been a day. Hasn't it? And there's the center. Yeah. So that's what, yeah, well, welcome to a new year for the old woman. And I want to thank you guys for joining me tonight as I adjust my chair. Because I gotta sit down. Oh my God, the paint on me. You don't want to see it. But I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys are the best. I appreciate you all. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that bell and hit the notifications so you'll know when Crazy Lady goes on. And below, I will try to put some colors I remember doing today into the description box where you can find them on Amazon. Okay, so I hope I've gone over everything. And also there's some links down below. I've got a couple rings right now on eBay that I'm selling. The inlaid rings. Let's see, like these. Excuse the, yeah. This one here is the boyfriend of mine. And, oof. And, there's a Zazzle store, and where I put merch on there from my paintings. And, Amazon links. Yeah, just look down there. If you see something, click on it. Say, oh, okay, there we go. I see it now. Yep. All right, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful Sunday. And everyone take care, and we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist. Woohoo! Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time.